Hey guys, this is Bri and I'm with
Primo.
Boss Primo. Say hi!
Hi.
Hi! Guys, join us on this video as we will bake our very first banana nut bread.
What's the sugar?
Without any further ado,
What's inside?
let's get started! On this bowl, we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, softened. There goes our butter.
Do you like sugar?
Oh yeah, here. 1/2 cup sugar. We're going to cream them all together. Go, mix.
Ah.
There, pickled. Need to cream. Cream.
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Go.
Sand.
That's not the sand. It's butter and sugar. You're mixing butter and sugar. Nice work. Next, we're going to add 1 fresh egg. Let's open the egg. Okay, ready?
Rat.
Crack. It's crack. Whoa, look at that.
Yolk.
Yolk, yes, it's a yolk. Oh no, your hands. Wait, let's wipe your hands. Then we'll mix. Here, look at that. Primo is mixing the butter,
What the?
the egg, and the
What?
sugar. Go. While Primo is mixing our ingredients, I'm going to mash 2 overripe bananas. You want to mash the bananas? Okay. Here. Let's mash the bananas. I'll open the banana for you. Here. Maybe. In goes the banana. Oh, good. There. Primo, let's mix the bananas. Help Daddy. Want to mix? And here. Next, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the vanilla. Go, see, wow, good job. Go, mix. Now on the separate bowl, we're going to add 3/4 cups of
Flour.
what's that?
Flour.
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 No flour. All-purpose flour. Here, all-purpose flour.
Mix.
Oh yeah, mix. Okay. Here, mix. Then we will add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to combine our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. You put the flour here, maybe? Good job. Good job. Go blend. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Go.
Scrape, scrape, scrape.
Scrape, scrape, scrape. Now I have here an 8 by 4 inches baking pan. I'm going to spray it with olive oil.
Yes.
And then 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts. What's this?
Walnuts.
Walnuts. Go, go. Thank you. Now let's place it into our baking pan.
Muddy puddles. Muddy puddles. Muddy puddles.
Now we're going to pop this into our oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And our banana nut bread is smelling good. We let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then let's try. So guys, here's our banana nut bread. As you can see, it's golden brown on the sides, on its crust, and we're getting that golden yellow brown color in the middle top. So a little soft. Let's take a slice. Now let's try. It's good. Wow. I didn't expect that. It's soft, moist, although a little greasy because of the olive oil, but I don't mind. Just olive oil. Oh, overall I like it. Good. Wow. And what I also noticed is that it's so moist that if you take a slice, it crumbles. It's more like a banana pudding than a bread for me. Well, better than nothing, right?